It was a peaceful morning on the farm.
Wow, that tractor is huge.
Driving it must be easy.
It works. It works. But Shadow had never driven a tractor before.
Why is it turning? Woof, woof!
Stop!
The whole farm became chaotic.
Shadow! What are you doing? Let me help!
I just wanted to try. This morning, the farm is full of activity. So many people. Ave. But so much food. Shadow gets a sneaky idea. Just borrowing a little.
Hey, who dropped the apples? Uh-oh, I've been spotted. Whoa! Stop! Give that back! A silly chase begins! Whoa! Whoa! It's slippery! Oh!
I won't run anymore. Won't run anymore. I'm sorry. I'm giving everything back.
It's good you told the truth.
Shadow, these are so helpful.
Thank you for helping, Shadow.
Fixing mistakes makes Shadow better. Follow the dots. Next time, just ask. From now on, I'll be good. Honesty makes everyone happy.
You got nail teeth though. Plug it up.
Careful there, it's a bit tricky.
Got it. Got it. Looks good.
Perfect, thank you.
Wonderful. Oh, nay, wet penny sunshine.
This is how you hold it. Like this? Yes, that's right. Keep it steady. Got it. Thank you.
Mornings at the dairy farm are calm and happy.
Wow. Fresh milk. Shadow gets a sneaky idea. Just one bottle? Moo! Moo! What are you doing?
I'm just smelling it. Whoa!
That milk is mine. Shadow starts to feel bad. I shouldn't take this. I'm sorry. I'm giving it back.
Character A, good choice.
Helping feels better than stealing. I won't steal again. Honesty makes everyone smile.
Let me help with that.
Thanks, I could use a hand. Thank you for helping us. Everyone needs fresh water.
Oh, guys, we want Fabrice. You're a good helper today.
This is much better than stealing. It's a peaceful morning at the happy farm.
Hostile. Oh, so many eggs.
Shadow, the sneaky master, starts his secret plan.
Cluck, cluck. What are you doing?
Oh no. I'm just taking a walk.
Fast and easy.
Hey! Where are Mommy's eggs?
Suddenly, Shadow feels something isn't right. Is this the right thing to do?
Those eggs are for my family. Oh no, I was wrong. I'm sorry. Here you go. Here you go.
Yay! Yay! The eggs are back. Helping others makes Shadow feel happy.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Thank you. Cluck. Thank you, I'm sorry.
From now on, I'll be a kind shadow.
Jeden Woensdag cirk dig. Nam had beetje man bijna. Van wide en wide zullen we een pink dinner. Adam van.
On a peaceful farm, the corn grows tall and bright.
Wow, wow. Wow, that corn looks tasty. Yeah. Shadow begins another sneaky plan.
Just one won't hurt. Maybe one more. Maybe one more.
Woof. Woof. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I've been spotted. A silly chase begins. Wait, let me explain. I was wrong.
I'm sorry. I'm giving it back.
Woof!
Good choice.
Fixing mistakes makes Shadow better. Thank you, old friend. It was a bright and cheerful morning at the farm.
Today, I want to ride really fast. Do you want to race bikes with me? Right. The race begins. I'm in the lead.
Not so fast. My bike is stuck.
Let me help you. Help you.
Woof, woof.
As evening comes, the farm gets ready to rest.
Ooh. That bell sounds fun.
The bell helps chickens find their way home.
I'll just borrow it for a moment. Yahoo! So cool.
Where's the bell?
Shadow starts to feel worried. I think I made a mistake. Without the bell, my kids get lost.
I need to fix this. bell is back.
I'm home.
Admitting mistakes makes Shadow better.
Next time, I'll ask first.
Being honest makes everyone happy.
It was a peaceful morning at the colorful farm.
No way. Smells so good. I'll take just a little. Wow. Wow. Delicious. Maybe one more. But Shadow started to get greedy.
It's heavy, but I can carry it.
Uh-oh. Up it can go. Oh no! Oh no! I can move! I can! I can move!
He's getting away with the goods!
Don't worry,
We'll catch him! Oh. Whoa! Careful with the rake, George!
I was too greedy! We got him!
If you're hungry, you should ask.
I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Sharing and honesty make everyone happy. Thank you. You're welcome.
Nah. Oh. That's the
Cheers to a good season, Farmer B. You too, Farmer A. A very good season.
Indeed. Pass the potatoes.
Thanks for this, Shadow.
No problem. Just doing my part.
You hold it gently like this and give it a little twist.
Ah, so not a pull. I see.
That's right, just so. Excellent work.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Good work.
A calm afternoon at the happy farm.
No one's watching. No one's watching. I can take a little.
So easy. So easy. But Shadow doesn't know.
Strange activity at the farm.
One more. Hey there. Hey there, what are you doing? Uh-oh. I was just looking.
Taking without asking is not okay.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry. I was wrong.
I'm giving everything back.
Good job telling the truth.
Fixing mistakes makes Shadow better.
Thank you for being honest. Thank you for being honest.
Here, Shadow, a fresh apple.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, yeah.
I couldn't have carried all this myself. Thank you, Shadow.
No problem, farmer. I'm happy to help.
It means a lot to me.
It was a beautiful morning at the farm, full of delicious food.
Wow. Ah, wow. Wow. So much food. Yummy.
One more. One more.
Shadow kept eating. And eating.
Oh, my stomach. It hurts.
Oh, Shadow, how much did you eat?
Maybe. Too much. Eating too much can make your body feel bad. I feel better now. Wow.